Remember, a lot of people do not even have time to do their laundry. They are busy, especially people who have full-time jobs, who are working a 9 to 5. Hi friends, Noki here, back with another side hustle video. Today's side hustle is ideal and great for stay-at-home moms. Yes, indeed. If you are a stay-at-home mom, please consider this side hustle. Okay, today I'm going to be giving you an idea on how you can do other people's laundry and get paid for it. How about that? Okay, first off, you need to have your own washing machine, a dryer, for you to successfully start and run this business. Okay, first things first, you need to sit down and decide what kind of laundry you're going to be doing. You're going to decide who you are going to be serving. You're going to decide how you are going to do it, when you are going to do it. This comes in the planning stages. How are you going to charge? Because when it comes to charging, there is more that comes into play. If you're going to be doing laundry for people, you have to take in the cost of your electricity, you have to factor in the water that you'll be using, and of course your time. And also, as part of the planning process, how long are you going to keep people's laundry? How long are you going to give them? Are you going to be doing the laundry in one day, everything washing, drying, and are you going to be ironing the clothes that need to be ironed? All those things will come into your business planning process. And once you decide and you have your set price and all, then you can log on to the Nextdoor app or your local advertising platforms, your local Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and advertise your services that you offer laundry services on whatever days. Make sure that you specify the days that you are available to do laundry for these individuals. Remember, a lot of people do not even have time to do their laundry. They are busy, especially people who have full-time jobs, who are working a 9 to 5, and some people work longer hours and they do not have time to do their own laundry. So I do recommend that you have your Facebook advertising page, you have your Instagram business page, and possibly, but not really necessary, a website. Advertise your services. And if you want to really take it up a notch, you can make it more professional by giving yourself a relevant but cute name. This way it will be easier for you to be found, especially if you decide to invest a little money and advertise on Google. Remember, like I have said in my previous videos, advertising on Google is not as expensive as you all think. I have tried it, used it. It is one very good way of advertising your business. Try it and come back and thank me later. And when it comes to doing people's laundry, make sure that you have specific rules. Make sure that you have disclaimers, but be very, very careful. Make sure that you are very good at doing laundry. You understand the different types of materials, what kind of temperatures to use, because the last thing that you want to do, my friend, when you're trying to make money is to lose money because you have gotten in trouble by burning or shrinking somebody's cashmere sweater. You know what I'm saying? As you are planning this business, make sure that you specify that your customers or rather your clients who are bringing you their laundry also bring their own detergent. Or you can provide different types of detergent and pass the cost to them. The whole idea here is to make it as easy for them as possible. Another thing that you want to make sure you clarify with your potential clients is allergies. Especially if you're going to be providing the laundry detergent, you want to make sure that you know and understand what their preferences are, because most people, well, not most people, but some people have allergies when it comes to detergent. I also want to caution you, if you are going to be doing laundry for babies or toddlers, make sure you have specific rules and very clear guidelines, and get specific instructions from the parents of the toddlers whom you are going to be doing laundry for, because we know that baby's skin is super sensitive and they use different detergent from our old skin. So you want to make sure that you get specific instructions if you are going to be doing laundry for babies and toddlers as well. Otherwise, I think this is a super exciting and easy, very, very easy side hustle to do that you can do in the comfort of your home, as long as you have a specific instructions on what days you're going to be taking up these assignments, doing laundry and making money in the process. How about that? With that being said, my friend, let me know what other side hustle ideas you are looking into. Are you a person who loves to provide services, or are you into e-commerce? Whatever side hustle you're thinking about, or the ones that you're not thinking about, I'll bring right here. With that being said, my friends, if you are looking for more ideas on how to make money in the comfort of your home, check out this playlist right here. Don't forget to check out the description box for useful links, and follow me on the socials. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, leave me a comment below and tell me, does this sound like an exciting side hustle that you can try? Hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my informative videos, and remember to like and share this video. Until next time, my friends, remember to do small things with great love, from my heart to yours. Adios, bye bye, God bless you, take care, I'll see you next time.